Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Achal and I am a tarot card reader and a spiritual coach. So today in this video I bring to you an important topic which is called communication. What is communication? आज सबको पता है कि communication क्या है, हमें कैसे communicate करना चाहिए किसी से. बट बहुत जगहों पे जब ऐसे कोई बोलते हैं ना, जब हमारा किसी के साथ कन्वर्सेशन होता है हमारा कम्युनिकेशन रुक जाता है, हमारे अंदर इतनी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम कह नहीं पाते हैं. सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पीपल. सम आर वेरी गुड कम्युनिकेटर्स, सम आर पीपल हु कैन नॉट टॉक मच बट और वो अंदर ही अपने दबाते रहते हैं, वो नहीं एक्सप्रेस कर पाते वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं. उसके रीजंस बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. दे मे बी एंग्शियस, दे मे बी वरीड, इट मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ सम पास्ट ट्रॉमा, सम पास्ट ट्रिगर, सम पास्ट हर्ट, सम फियर्स, some kind of a blockage in their mind which is not allowing them to communicate with you. It's okay. So how can you make your communication better today? If you are a good communicator then definitely you have all the skills where जहाँ आप अपनी communication बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं, और अच्छा बढ़ाने के लिए आप इसको वर्बल से, आप इसको कम्युनिकेशन को इमेज के थ्रू आप किसी से कह सकते हैं. अगर आपको लग रहा है कोई आपको नहीं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा है तो आप इमेजेस सेंड कीजिए, उस पर्सन को समझाइए उसके द्वारा. और अगर उसके द्वारा भी नहीं हो रहा है देन तो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू लीव इट देयर. बट इसके अलावा अगर आप इतना नहीं बोल पाते हैं लोगों से, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, आपके मन में कुछ है, आपकी आत्मा अंदर हार्ट में कुछ है, बट यू नीड टू एक्सपैंड योर हार्ट चक्रा, यू नीड टू एक्सपैंड योर थ्रोट चक्रा बिकॉज यू आर ब्लॉकिंग दैट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट. So how you can communicate? Maybe just go within, understand, realize that you need to be vulnerable with the other person. You need to speak to the other person. It's okay. कभी कभी हमें माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ती है, कभी कभी हमें बहुत चीज़ों के लिए हमारा ईगो एकदम ज़ीरो करना पड़ता है. जब हम ईगो ज़ीरो करते हैं तब हम एकदम कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं कि हमें क्या चाहिए. You have to be fearless. You have to understand what is stopping your communication. Is it some external force? Are there pressures from the society, from the people? Are they talking in your mind or in your ears continuously and telling you do this, do that? Why are you seeking validation from others? You have your intuitions. Your intuitions are there to guide you. There are healers there to guide you. Please speak to them. But unnecessary, don't talk to people who don't have knowledge, who might not have that experience which you have, who might not have that past which you are going through, or you have your past. So understand yourself, understand your own traumas, understand your own shadows and start speaking vulnerably. Be vulnerable to people, live your authentic truth, remove your masks. जो इतने masks हमने पहने हैं. Be a good communicator, learn to communicate well. Whatever you want to communicate, you should know first with whom you are communicating. If you know that the person whom you are communicating is a person who is intelligent, who will understand you, who is sharp, who is focused, who is also on a similar wavelength like you, then you need to communicate openly. You need to just be open, vulnerable and give that other person also a chance. What if you communicate openly, the other person is just going to give you that love, or is only going to give you that respect, or is only going to value your words. So just be open, be vulnerable, through your through verbal communication, through messages, or meeting them personally, or through pictures, or through music. There are different ways where you can communicate with people, and you should communicate with them. Don't keep inside you because it will create a lot of blockages in your health and you will have health problems. Just be open, vulnerable, communicate and live your life freely. So I hope you like my video. Until my next video, see you, bye, take care, thank you, namaste.